Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. This is Miss JD for a unique episode here in our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough on how to use the Etoro platform. So this platform is like COL, like Video Nomura, and all the platforms that we use for trading in the Philippine market. So this platform will allow you to trade different products like stocks, crypto, currencies, those things. You will be able to do everything here in the platform. And the objective of today's discussion is I'm going to walk you through on the basic uh, features and pages of this platform. And I am currently here in my virtual portfolio. I can just transfer from one portfolio to the other. Okay, but for the purpose of this discussion, I am in my virtual portfolio. And as you can see, you now can view my account. I'm Julie Lax in eToro if you'd like to check out my trades and someday if I already get an approval, if I get an approval for my request to enable copy trading, then you can also check out if you'd like to copy my trades. Now, okay, so let's get started. What you will first see here on your screen, so I will be teaching you guys how to um, place a buy order, a sell order, and how to close your orders here in eToro. Okay, so for instance, I'd like to go to my portfolio first. So these are the current positions that I have. Okay, and so I was playing around with the features previously, and I placed mostly cryptocurrency in the past months. Now, so if I would like to place an order and I'm interested in, let us say, buying, let's say, Ethereum. Okay, so I would like to buy an Ethereum. I just click trade, and then I click either buy or sell, right? Notice that in eToro, if you are not going to use a leverage, meaning you're not going to borrow money, you will not incur any fees. If I go buy, see that? If you open a position, buy means you're betting for this cryptocurrency to move higher. You click sell if you're betting on it to go down. Okay, so I click buy and I use times 1 leverage. I don't have any fees. Now if I click sell and I don't use leverage, I still have times 1 leverage. This is when eToro will charge you a daily fee. Okay, for example, I know the minimum here is, let us see if $200 is fine. Yeah, $200 is fine. What about $100? Yep, I think 100 is fine too. What about 50? Okay. Yeah, so you can even bet as low as $50. But let us say I'd like to open a position for a buy. Okay, if I go click buy and I have $100, what's good with eToro is that you can set your stop loss level so that you don't really have to watch the market 100% of the time, especially with the cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is open 24 hours a day. So if I'd say I want to put a stop loss, let's say at any time my loss reaches $10, I will automatically be kicked out. Now I can also set my trailing. Oh, it has, because in cryptocurrency, yeah, I remember $25 should be the threshold, or 25%. Yeah, it should be 25%. Now I can also enter the profit taking level. So I want $100. Okay, I can do that. And for my stop loss, I can use a trailing stop loss. And what do we mean by that? Let us say you're betting for this stock to go higher, right? And as you move higher and when it dips, the system will automatically kick you out and lock in some profit if it reaches that level. So if you're to read this, trailing stop loss is designed to protect gains by enabling a trade to remain open and continue to profit as long as the price is moving in the right direction. So let us say I open a buy position. Notice it's times 1 leverage and there's no fee. And I click set order and I now have a position. Okay. And I go to Ethereum, or I'm going to my portfolio. This is the one we just opened now. Okay. Now let us say I want to close that. I can just easily click the X here, click X, and then close the trade. And then done. So what's good in the US market or even cryptocurrency, the volume is so huge that the moment you click buy or sell, instantly it's executed because there are so many people trading in the market. And like in the Philippine market, even though you are already hitting that right amount, we still have to wait for buyers or sellers to take action because there's really not a lot of people trading. So that's a big difference. Now, so that was a buy position. Let's take a look at sell. So let us say I'd like to trade gold. Okay, I'd like to do sell. So I can just go and enter the amount right away for whatever price we currently have, or I can click an order. And let us say at any time the price reaches, for example, 108, 1,808. So when it reaches that level, I execute the sell. Well, for the amount of, let's say, $1,000. Okay, so this time around, you're betting for the stock to go down. And even if I don't use leverage, I still have a fee. So always bear in mind that selling, even if you don't use leverage, there is a fee. However, in buying, if you do not use leverage, regardless of how long you sit on that stock, there's no fee. And then all you have to do is set your stop loss levels. And let's say I want to execute it now. I'm changing it. I removed the order. I want to execute it now. I want to execute a sell order. See that? So now let me see if it's already in here. Okay. So currently it looks like the direction is, let's take a look. I want to view the chart. Okay, looks like it is heading in the direction we want. Okay, we are in the daily chart. So overall, the direction is actually heading downward. So um, I have a feeling that we are going to have a profitable trade here. But for the purpose of this exercise, what I want to show you now is how to close an order um, that we placed here. So very, very simple, pretty much the same. All you have to do is click X and close the trade. And then you're done. Okay? And that is it for this episode. I have taught you guys how to place a buy order and a sell order, and also how to close your orders. And always bear in mind that in eToro, if you do not use any leverage, meaning you are not going to borrow money from the platform, you will not be charged any fee when you buy. And when you buy, okay. But when you sell, you open a sell position. Even if you don't use a leverage, there's a small amount that you will be charged for every day that you have an open sell position. And there's also a weekend fee for those. However, at least, and like in the Philippine market, all our trades were charged with eToro. If you buy, then you're not charged any fee. Okay, so if you'd like to check out my profile in eToro, I'm Julie Lax. And if you'd like to consider creating an account in eToro, I have placed a link down in the description, so you can also check that out and you can create an account with them. Creating an account is free, by the way. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.